I am making an olive oil cake. So for this cake, I have flour and baking powder sifted, cornmeal, sugar, eggs, olive oil, milk, limoncello, lemon zest, grated pear, and sliced pear. I'm gonna start with the eggs. I love that.
Limoncello.
I was gonna say that. The limoncello is so good. Whip the eggs in the sugar until they're really light, a light yellow, and they have some volume and creamy. It almost looks like a mousse. Okay, so it's gonna take 3-4 minutes to beat those eggs to get them to a real light yellow, fluffy, almost like lemon mousse would look. But while you're doing that, you can lightly butter the bottom and insides of a 9-inch spring bunt, and then dust it with flour, tap out the flour, and take some sliced pear and set them, going all the same direction, of course, so it's pretty, in the bottom. Makes for pretty when it's baked. This is so fast and easy, I promise. I'm using Anjou pears, just because they're not as wet as the other one, as many of the others. Now, take your mixing bowl, and you're gonna add the zest, the limoncello, and the grated pear. And we're gonna just stir with a whisk. Just until incorporated, stir it with a whisk. Just get it in there. Then we're gonna add the cornmeal. Stir till incorporated. Then we're gonna add the olive oil. We're gonna kind of alternate between liquid, dry, and wet. Stir till incorporated. Then you're gonna add the flour. It's gonna get a little hard to stir. Once it's incorporated, you're gonna add the whole milk. Stir till well combined. It's gonna be a little thicker than regular batter. It's gonna have the consistency of pound cake batter. Okay. Combine, pour. It'll be a little grainy. You should not have lumps, but it will be a little coarse. And you're gonna bake in a 325-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. When you take the cake out of the oven, cool on a wire rack until it completely cool. Room temperature, you can touch it, then release it from the pan and invert it. And that's what it should look like. It's about the consistency of pound cake. And it's really nice if you serve it with some sliced fresh pear.
And she really means to sound a little more excited about it.
I'm using the
This
big...
is Italy, baby. John needs to give you another lemon soda.
No, listen, secret. I'm using the big knife, trying not
Oh,
to hurt my...
and she's using a big knife. Every time
I thought you'd be so proud of
Can
me.
I help? I don't even see it in here.
Wait. Here it is.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Here it is.
Every time I say, Maria, chop onions, Maria, do this, can you help me with that? She gets the smallest knife in the drawer, the paring knife. And so she used a chef knife. That's so sweet.
I was trying to make you proud of me, but I was so nervous.
But by the way, you don't need to use a chef knife.
Can I have some cake?
To cut cake.
Yes, please have some. Big knife, pear olive oil cake.
Big talent. Big talent who loves baking in Italy.
Yes.
She said, we're doing it.
I do